Allow them to go. God is still working in you. Allow them to talk bad about you. When God is still working in you. Allow them to undermine you. When God is still working in you. Allow them to look down on you. God is still working in you. When God is still working in you. People will undermine you. People bad about you. And I'm here to tell you, do not give up. It's just a process. It's just a process.
I am here to tell you, do not give up. I understand that you're not by your side. I understand that you're not together. I understand that you're not going to leave with me. But do not give up. Because God is still working in you. Come and tell us. God is still working in you. God is still working in you. They're just talking their trouble. That God is working in you. They're gossiping you that you don't know. That God is working in you. They turned against you that you don't know. That God is working in you. I am speaking to someone today. That God